Om Namah Shivaya. So this message is for all the yoga teachers. See, listen, do you want to succeed? If the answer is yes, watch this entire video. Now, please understand, as a yoga teacher to succeed, the success rules are fixed. When I am watching the yoga teachers who complete from Bodhi School of Yoga, some are becoming super successful. They're earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh because they're following success mantras, whereas the others are not following. If you don't understand workshop, if you don't want to conduct workshop, success is ruled out. Watch all the successful teachers. So I want to tell in this particular video, you have to conduct workshop, simple workshop. You have to become an expert to conduct workshop. What workshop? Not advanced, simple things. For example, first one I am saying yoga for beginners. So you have to invite people to the beginners workshop. Many people are scared. You have to remove that fear. Yoga is not circus. Yoga is not advanced asanas. You have to introduce the concept that yoga is simple. So the workshop one is you have to conduct yoga for beginners. And the second workshop, you have to conduct stress relief, yoga for stress relief or yoga for anxiety and depression. So basically yoga for mental health. Yes, you have to conduct this workshop, yoga for mental health. Below, if you are suffering with stress, anxiety, depression, please join. This is the workshop number 2. Now, workshop number 3, pranayama, the power of pranayama, or the breathwork workshop. For all the Bodhi yoga teachers who want to become financially strong, I am giving 5 powerful techniques which are not there in any books. These techniques are only for Bodhi yoga teachers. So the third one is pranayama workshop. Fourth one is yoga, simple yoga for weight loss. Please remember, simple yoga for weight loss, 2 days workshop. I'm going to talk in the next part. I will discuss so detail. The next workshop is yogic detox, hyphen Shanka Prakshalana, Lagu Shanka Prakshalana. If you don't know what is Lagu Shanka Prakshalana and yogic detox, you cannot claim yourself as yoga teacher. Now, yoga for back pain. This is a simple workshop. The next workshop is face yoga, natural anti-aging. You have to learn face yoga. If you're a yoga teacher, whether you're a boy, whether you're a girl, you have to learn. Without face yoga, I say difficult because we're in 2025. And another workshop is meditation and yoga nidra workshop. Two days workshop. These workshops, what I am mentioning right now, are fundamental workshops any great yoga teacher conducting. Now, if you say you are ready for all the Bodhi yoga teachers, you have to see, watch how Bodhi School of Yoga is growing, how other yoga teachers are growing. So be ready to conduct these workshops and attend these workshops. How can you become an expert? How will you become an expert to conduct these workshops? You have to attend workshops, these workshops. Listen, I am not asking you to join the workshops which are conducted by Bodhi School of Yoga. Join any teacher. Many teachers are conducting these workshops. So listen, whatever I am speaking in any YouTube, any video, anything is related to yoga's coaches' success. Because I want to see more and more yoga teachers have to become successful, more yoga coaches have to become successful. The reason is society is waiting for you. Train 15,000 trainers in 150 countries. Anybody can achieve anything. Yeah. So take a pen and write down notes, whatever workshops I mentioned, be ready. And so as a first step, I myself will conduct all these workshops from Bodhi School of Yoga. You can watch me, you can understand. And each workshop, whatever we are conducting, you get a recording also. So what you have to do, copy me exactly the way what I'm doing, you can copy. Okay, if you're not attending my workshop, any teacher, if you think you are impressed, copy the teacher and spread that wisdom. Now the time has come for us to spread good wisdom. Good things have to be promoted in a big way. If you understand what I'm speaking right now, I want to hear your comments. If you think that these suggestions are going to help you, say something in the below comment below this video. And sometimes I'm getting inputs from your comments. Yeah, mentally say I'm going to become great coach. It is going to happen because society is looking for you. Om Namah Shivaya.